disasters reveal weaknesses that we do not see under normal circumstances. Of course, the natural reaction is to be stunned by the magnitude of the damage. But then we see the response. People in Japan, New York, and Chile remain calm after widespread damage from earthquakes and flooding. In New Orleans, after Katrina, thousands of people behaved very badly. But then they calmed down. Everyone eventually came together, drew on resources, and used their power to overcome problems. Haiti stands out as an exception. More than 3 years after a huge earthquake, only half of the rubble has been cleared. About 250,000 people still live in a temporary camps set up by care agencies. And the economy of the entire country is still dependent upon outside assistance. Some fear that it could take a generation or more before Haiti makes full recovery. Elsewhere, the disasters are fading memory as economies roll back to full strength. We can say all we want about the process of delivering aid and recovery, but I believe that people overcome their problems when they possess a common awareness for quality. When people share this mindset, the quality mindset, economies flourish and prosper no matter what difficulties they face. This is an undeniable fact.